Here I have VIVO Y11s, and today I'm going to show you how to add photo to contact on this device. So first of all, what you have to do is to open your contacts, select the contact for which you want to add a photo, then tap edit contact, then tap on the camera icon to add a photo, and then you have an option to take a photo or choose a photo. Select photo. Then you have to adjust it, and then tap here to confirm it, and then tap save and image added. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.